A madman and an animal have no difference. Just as human activity in this era, Kali Yuga, is full of madness, so too its education, health, politics, and religions are a madman and an animal has no difference. The consequence of this premature disease in every home around the world and billions of poor, middle class, disabled, premature death, unemployed, crime, many children, addiction, lack of beauty or corona. Is there anything impossible in the world? Why would it be impossible for human needs money, health, intelligence, success, education, beauty, happiness, peace, and respect? How is it possible if there is a lock in mind from the bottom to the top? If people think of the soil, moon, sun, water, book, man as God, Allah, Bhagavan, if the main goal of his or her life is gold, home, cars, designation and negligence to people, then what can be expected from them? In the books, you will not find how people can eat, how to maintain health, and will find history, dog, cow compositions. People's compositions are out and imaginary stories, etc. This is the identity of the educated people. The health system is, though people are dying, actual information cannot be told to anyone. Politics is to eat human brains, but the real work can never be done. Religion is distracting people with mantra, azan, and keeps people in the dark. People get what they want. People of Kali Yuga got what they wanted. We have already provided golden rules for golden life on this YouTube channel so that no one can loses money and health and everyone can build a risk-free human life with proper money and health benefits. Moreover, people all over the world are facing many children or abortions. And the result is poverty, unemployment, premature diseases, etc. And two of these, we have provided great birth control measures. Listen now to the switch to build a unique life by determining the correct number of children. Yes, people have garbage in their minds. So be careful and don't listen to the madness of Kali Yuga. You must watch our mentioned videos and know that money is the foundation of life and it's in your hands. Because though you think many times about the coming of God or any human being, these things have never happened, will never happen. So listen carefully to the words of this video with a clear mind. Most people believe in 30 words, 2 children instead of 2. No 2 instead of 2. It's 6 from 2. A couple has 2 children. These 2 again produce 2 each. After the death of the grandparents, a total of 6 people were left behind. Thus, the population is tripled by the 2 children policy. If we seizure in math in this way, the wave of problems may fall on life. Many people cannot keep a gap of 3 years between 2 children if they have 2 children in mind. As a result, the quality of the child may fall poor. He or she who earns 1 lakh rupees a month says 2 children is right. And if he or she who earns 10,000 rupees a month, he or she also says 2 children is right. A rickshaw puller also thinks 2 children is right. Is that reasonable? Can childbirth, education, medical care, food and drink be without money? Is it possible to grow a good child in a healthy mind with a lack of enough money? A child who is built without a good condition, a child who cannot fill his stomach well, how can he or she fill his parents' stomach in old age? He will suffer from an inferiority complex. He will not have a mental state. For this reason, even after having many children do not allow their parents to eat. If 2 or more children, brothers say to each other, you will see that the parents at the last stage. When giving birth to a child, you are responsible till his or her end. Have you made arrangements so that he or she can stand in the future? Are not you of the opinion that he or she will take care of his or her affairs? Poor, unemployment all over the world. Money is not a tree that will take care of itself. This thing is in the hands of a few people and deprives most of the people. So be careful. There are more poor and middle class people in the world than rich. A small number of rich people rotate sticks on their heads for their wasteful thinking. So make your destiny without falling prey to the addicted people around you by giving birth to 1 child. However, if you want to have 2 children, then take it only if your monthly Indian income is rupees 30,000. Beware of your wife and the elders of your house, because in many cases they provoke 2 children. If you have the financial strength, you can survive with your head held high, and if you don't have it, like trample on the grass of by everyone else. Demanding child after child, taking children beyond of control, not caring child with signs, caring for children at own will, addiction to create something by giving birth, picking up the pressure, then applying bad language for not growing up, for not bringing money by doing a job, quarrel with wife or husband. Why would this be? Every human being is born and dies. If all over the world there is a premature disease in every home, the poor, the unemployed, yet why push the children to that well? Fate is yours. The decision is yours. Fate is in your hands. Try to have quality children more than many children. He or she will feed at the last stage. If a cultivator scatters seeds on land without proper cultivation in the hope of God, Allah or Bhagavan, will the crop be good? Don't live in a world of lies. Check our next videos including baby care. If anyone tells who will look after in the last stage, I tell them to make quality children they will look after. If there is a shortage of money, then uncertainty will be created. Many people say that if one child dies, what should I do? Because you do not care for the children scientifically, result to the child is prone to disease, lack of intellect. So care for the child scientifically, you will be thoughtless. Again, after watching our video, you may think that you will have one child or will take 2, thinking that you will not have many children like your father or uncle. But this thought is harmful. These are easy to think of, but very difficult to work with. All you have to do is take birth control of Avatar religion only and watch our birth control video today.